my topic is SEM. Anyone else know SEM?
No.
I thought you guys will maybe know.
What?
Scanning.
Oh,
yeah.
SCN.
SEM.
Scanning.
Scanning electron microscope. Maybe you will know in the future.
So you understand this time, huh?
Little bit.
Well,
What?
Too small. The
SEM
I can't read it.
is the come on guys, is the type of electron microscope which will help us to which will help us to well, I'm sorry. It will help. The SEM is a type of electrical microscope which will help us to know the sample's surface by the scanning the sample surface. Okay. So how can we get this? When the electric beam, electric beams, they will impact on the sample surface. The electrons interact with electrons in the sample and produce several signals. And we can connect those signals by special detectors, and then we will use the computer to get the image. So why we use the SEM? First of all, using SEM can be very accurate. Observe the samples. SEM can achieve resolution better than 1 nanometer. You know nanometer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe someone. Maybe 1 nanometer equal to. Very small.
Even not that small.
All right.
Yes,
Right,
I cannot read that.
Your meter is 3 or something.
Sorry. So 1 nanometer is much is more smaller than my GPT, right? Here's the picture. Sorry. Here's the picture. I will show you some picture. But give me a second. Well, this is electron gun. It will generate the electrons, and through the it will accelerate by the acceleration and accelerator. Then through the length, the first condensate length, second condensate length, they will become an electron beam, and this deflection coils will help us to control the electron beams, to change the angle between the samples and the electron beams. So it's just like when you use this device to change the angle, it will just like scanning the samples. So it's called the scanning electron microscope. When the electron beams impact on the samples, it will just think about the electron beams like a light. When they reach the samples, it will reflect. And the electrons will interact with the other electrons, and we will get several signals. I think you guys, I bet you guys don't want to know all these signals because it's complicated and it's hard to explain. It includes several formulas, and it's difficult to understand. Sorry.
I need a microscope to read that.
This one is better?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This picture is large. Right. When the electron beams, scanning the samples, the electrons will interact with other electrons, and we can use special detectors. This is just one detector. It's the secondary electron detectors, which will connect the electrons. We know electron is negative, right? And this secondary electron detector will be the positive one. So
Yeah.
you guys know the positive will attract the negative. So we will connect all these signals, and through the computer, we will this device. When we connect the signals, we will amplify the signal, and through the scanning generators, we will get the information. Okay, this picture is better.
No.
Oh no.
Come on. This device, this is the real SEM. You can see this electric gun. It will generate the electrons, and the first lens, second lens, we will get the electron beam, and by the scanning coil, we will change the angle. So, this is the this part is column. It's called column. The column will generate the primary electrons, and this part is the specimen chamber, where we put the samples in this box, and this part behind all this is the X-ray detectors. It will connect the X-rays and get one part of the information. This rectangular box is the secondary electron detector. So why I choose SEM? Because it's different with AFM, FM, TM or XRD. This device is, the picture is very boring, but this SEM is pretty cool. This is the SEM picture. Actually, this is the ant. It's the ant. Antenna. This is the ant. Because the SEM will help us to, to understand the sample's surface, So pretty cool. You guys know what this?
Snow.
It's snow. Yeah. You can see this one. This one, yeah. Like snow. Yeah. It's a different type of snow. You guys, what's this? Actually, it's beautiful, right? I think it's beautiful.
Chocolate?
You want to eat? Actually, it's a kidney stone. Discarding, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kidney stone.
Yeah. So, this picture is pretty awesome.
Oh.
I'm done.
Oh.